Hello students, how are you all? Once again I am back with a new topic, and that is complete revision of chapter number 2. So here comes the first question. The main step of nutrition in human being. So the first step is ingestion. Ingestion means taking in of food. Digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. Egestion means excretion. Name the largest gland in the human body. And the correct answer is liver. Next, which acid is released by the stomach, or which acid is present in stomach? The correct answer is hydrochloric acid. What are villi? So I have drawn here a small diagram of villi. Villi are finger-like projections present in the inner side of small intestine. Now coming up next, where does amoeba digest its food? So amoeba, all the digestion takes place in a food vacuole. Where does the digestion of starts in human being? It is in mouth. That's why हमें रोटी मीठी लगती है. Next, where is the complete digestion of fat takes place? And that is small intestine. Where is the water from the undigested food mainly absorbed? And the correct answer is large intestine. So large intestine is the area where the waste product comes with water, and here only the water is absorbed. Next one, name the product of digestion of the following food components. So the first one is carbohydrate. Carbohydrate का जब digestion होता है तो what is the end product which is formed? So in carbohydrate it is glucose. In proteins it break down into amino acids. Fats break down in a body to form fatty acid and glycerol. What are villi, or where are villi located? So villi are located in the inner wall of intestine. Next, where is the bile produced and stored? So bile is produced by the largest gland, and the answer is correct. It is liver, and it is temporarily stored in small part that is known as gallbladder. Now what is the function of villi? What they do? So they increase the surface area so that maximum nutrients are absorbed in the small intestine. Now the next one. Which component of the food does the bile helps to digest? And that is fat. So fat is digested by bile. Name the carbohydrate that we cannot digest but the ruminants can digest. Ruminant means like cow and buffaloes. So the correct answer is cellulose. Cellulose is that carbohydrate बच्चों which can be digested by herbivores only. Now, which part of the digestive canal is involved in absorption of food? सारा absorption कहाँ खत्म होता है? That is small intestine. And who does? That is villi. Chewing of food, that is buccal cavity or mouth. Killing of bacteria takes place in stomach. Complete digestion, small intestine. And formation of feces. Feces means waste product. So कहाँ बनता है waste product? Large intestine में. And large intestine is the area where the water is reabsorbed. Now let's come to the next question. What one or the right one similarity and difference between the nutrition in amoeba and in human being? We all know that as we have 5 steps of nutrition, amoeba is also having the 5 steps of nutrition. And what are they? So similarities are amoeba also ingest or engulf food, then digestion takes place, then absorption takes place, utilization or assimilation takes place, and the last is excretion takes place in amoeba also. But what is the difference? The difference is there that in our body there are different organs involved to do these steps, but in amoeba all the 5 steps takes place in single cell. So amoeba, which is amoeboid shape, it has single cell, and all the nutrient process takes place in one cell only. Next, Name the following. This is all about your teeth, children. So biting and cutting teeth, incisors, piercing and tearing, canine, जो कि कार्निवोरस के शार्प होते हैं, जैसे लायन और टाइगर के जो कैनाइन्स होते हैं, दे आर वेरी शार्प. च्यूइंग एंड ग्राइंडिंग टीथ, मोलर्स और प्री मोलर्स, लाइक जैसे आपके जो पीछे के दांत होते हैं विच वी कॉल एज दाढ़, और जो हर्बीवोर्स के होते हैं लाइक काऊ के माउथ में अगर आपने देखा होगा तो यू मस्ट हैव सीन द काऊ एंड द बफेलोज और हर्बीवोरस, दे हैव ब्रॉड टीथ. सो ब्रॉड टीथ आर मोलर्स एंड प्री मोलर्स. नाउ लास्ट क्वेश्चन, कैन वी सर्वाइव ओनली ऑन लीफी रॉ वेजिटेबल्स खा के? नो, इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. Now let's come to diagram. So here is the diagram of your alimentary canal, or we call it digestive system. So let's start. If you know the correct answer, keep on writing. What is the first one? So the first one is your mouth, through which your food get inside your mouth. Next is number 2 are 3 salivary glands which are present behind the buccal cavity or your mouth. They are known as salivary glands. They are 3 in number. Next, the food comes in food pipe. And then the fourth one is your stomach, where actually the digestion takes place. After your stomach, the fifth one is a pancreas. So what the pancreas they do? They secrete pancreatic juice. Food never comes in pancreas. They only secrete juice so that the food which is in stomach, which is now going in small intestine, can easily digested. So here you can see 3 glands are there. 11 number is liver, gallbladder and pancreas. These 3 are glands and they secrete only juices, so that the food which is there in small intestine can easily digested. Food never pass through liver, gallbladder and pancreas. Now in small intestine, which is the 6th one, food is easily digested and absorbed. Now the food which is undigested comes in large intestine. And the last part of large intestine is rectum. After rectum, it goes out through anus, which is the 5th part. So I hope you can easily draw this diagram starting from mouth and end with anus. And always remember the 3 glands which participate in digestion, but food never pass through them. Liver is the largest gland and gallbladder temporarily stores bile juice, whereas pancreas they secrete pancreatic juice that helps in the digestion of protein and fat. Now after seeing the digestion of human being, let's see the digestive system of ruminant animals. So after seeing the human digestive system, let's come to the digestive system of ruminant animals. Ruminant animals कौन होते हैं? Ruminant means those animals first they take food in, then again the food comes out in their mouth, they chew it again and then it goes to the stomach and for final churning. So they take the food twice in their mouth, or their digestion completes in 2 steps. They are ruminant. So one of the ruminant animal is in front of you, children. So I have not labeled 4 part. If you know the answer, please write down. The first and the largest chamber is known as the rumen. In that chamber, it store food. जैसे ही गाय घास खाती है, सबसे पहले खाना जो है वो इसमें स्टोर कर लेती है. उसके बाद गाय बैठ के आराम से the food again comes in the mouth for chewing. And after chewing, the food goes to the next part of the digestive system, that is known as reticulum. So reticulum shape is just like a honeycomb. जैसे हनी का छत्ता होता है तो सेम द शेप इज सेम, सो इट इज़ अ honeycomb shape reticulum. Third is omesum. Then the food goes to omesum. Omesum is the place where the absorption of water takes place. And finally the food goes to aboomesum, which is a true stomach of ruminant animal. True stomach means here the digestion complete, and then the undigested food goes to intestine and it goes out. So this is how the ruminant animal complete their digestion. I hope it is clear to you. Children, this is very important, like that what is the largest part of the ruminant stomach, and the correct answer is rumen. So I hope it is clear to you. Thank you children for watching and understanding this chapter. Soon I'll send you the next 20 questions that revise the next chapter.